Welcome back to InnoCars Sight. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most iconic vehicles in American automotive history, the 1964 Pontiac GTO. This car not only revolutionized the muscle car segment, but also became a cultural icon that still resonates today. According to the latest updates, the GTO remains a symbol of performance, style, and innovation. So buckle up as we explore the fascinating details of this legendary machine. The Pontiac GTO was officially introduced in 1964, and it is widely credited with igniting the muscle car craze in America. According to recent news, the GTO was originally designed as an option package for the Pontiac Tempest. However, it quickly transformed into a standalone model that captured the imagination of car enthusiasts everywhere. The name GTO stands for Gran Turismo Omologato, an Italian term that signifies a car built for high performance in racing. Let's talk about the design. The 1964 GTO featured a bold, aggressive aesthetic that turned heads on the road. According to the latest updates, its long hood and short deck proportions contributed to a sporty silhouette that was both elegant and assertive. The car was available in two-door hardtop and convertible configurations, appealing to a diverse range of buyers. The front grille, with its distinctive split design, and the sculpted body lines emphasized the GTO's performance-oriented character. According to confirmed reports, the GTO's styling was so impactful that it influenced the design of many future muscle cars, making it a trendsetter in the industry. Now let's get to the heart of the matter, the engine. Under the hood, the 1964 GTO was equipped with a powerful 389 cubic inch V8 engine. According to the latest specifications, this engine produced an impressive 325 horsepower and 430 lb-ft of torque. For those seeking even more power, there was the option of a tri-power setup, which included three two-barrel carburetors, boosting output to a staggering 348 horsepower. This engine allowed the GTO to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just under 7 seconds, a remarkable feat for its time. The combination of power and performance made the GTO a formidable contender on the streets. According to recent updates, it was not uncommon for GTO owners to take their cars to the drag strip, showcasing the raw performance that the vehicle was engineered to deliver. When it comes to transmission, the GTO offered a choice between a 3-speed manual or an optional 4-speed manual, enhancing the driving experience. According to the latest news, the car's suspension was designed for a perfect balance of performance and comfort. It featured independent front suspension and a solid rear axle, providing excellent handling and stability. This setup made the GTO not only fast, but also enjoyable to drive, whether on winding roads or open highways. Moving inside, the 1964 GTO was crafted with driver comfort and style in mind. According to recent updates, the interior featured bucket seats, a center console, and a sporty dashboard layout that emphasized the car's performance pedigree. Buyers could choose from a variety of options, including an AM radio, power steering, and air conditioning, making the GTO a comfortable cruiser for long drives or weekend getaways. The attention to detail in the interior design contributed to the GTO's allure. According to confirmed reports, many owners took pride in customizing their interiors, adding personal touches that reflected their unique style. Market impact and popularity. The introduction of the GTO had a profound impact on the automotive market. According to the latest updates, it quickly gained popularity among young drivers who were seeking a thrilling driving experience at an affordable price. In its first year alone, Pontiac sold over 32,000 units of the GTO, establishing it as a formidable competitor in the muscle car segment. The GTO's success prompted other manufacturers to introduce their own performance models, leading to what is often referred to as the golden age of American muscle cars. According to recent news, the GTO's influence can still be seen in today's performance vehicles, as many modern cars pay homage to this classic. Fast forward to today, and the 1964 Pontiac GTO is considered a highly collectible classic. According to confirmed reports, well-preserved models can fetch high prices at auctions and among collectors. The GTO's combination of performance, style, and historical significance makes it a sought-after vehicle for enthusiasts. As interest in classic cars continues to grow, the GTO remains a top choice for those looking to own a piece of automotive history. The legacy of the GTO is not just in its performance, but also in its cultural significance. According to the latest updates, the GTO has made appearances in films, television shows, and music, solidifying its status as an American icon. For those interested in restoring a 1964 GTO, numerous resources are available. According to recent news, dedicated clubs and online communities provide invaluable support for enthusiasts undertaking restoration projects. Parts availability has improved over the years, with many reproduction parts now on the market, making it easier to bring these classic cars back to their former glory. Restoring a GTO is not just about the car, it's about preserving a piece of history. Many owners take great pride in maintaining the authenticity of their vehicles, ensuring that future generations can appreciate the craftsmanship and innovation that went into creating the GTO. In conclusion, the 1964 Pontiac GTO is more than just a car, it's a symbol of an era defined by performance and style. According to the latest news, its legacy continues to thrive, captivating new generations of car enthusiasts. Whether you're a longtime fan or new to the world of classic cars, the GTO stands as a testament to American automotive ingenuity. Thank you for joining us today on InnoCars Sight as we explored the details and history of this legendary muscle car. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates on classic cars and automotive history. Stay tuned for our next episode, where we'll uncover more incredible stories from the world of automobiles.